Many people look for ways to spend less on groceries, but saving money often starts with simple habits in the kitchen rather than buying fewer foods or sacrificing quality. Small everyday decisions, such as storing food properly or using ingredients before they spoil, can gradually reduce waste and help stretch every grocery trip much further. Food that gets forgotten in the refrigerator or pantry often ends up being thrown away, turning money that was already spent into unnecessary waste. Developing better kitchen habits doesn't require expensive equipment or complicated meal plans. Consistency is often far more important than making big changes all at once. Over time, these practical habits can help you waste less food, make better use of the groceries you already have, and reduce how often you need to shop. In this video, we'll explore 10 simple kitchen habits that can help lower your grocery bills while making your food last longer and reducing unnecessary waste at home. One of the most effective ways to reduce your grocery bill is by planning your meals before you go shopping so you only buy ingredients that you'll actually use. Having a simple meal plan for the next few days helps prevent unnecessary purchases and reduces the chances of buying duplicate ingredients. When you already know what you'll be cooking, it's much easier to ignore impulse purchases that weren't part of your original plan. Meal planning also helps you combine ingredients across multiple recipes, allowing the same groceries to be used in several different meals. Because more of your groceries are actually used instead of forgotten, less food ends up being thrown away, helping you get better value from every shopping trip. Spending just a few minutes planning your meals before shopping can lead to smarter purchases, less food waste, and noticeable grocery savings over time. Making a grocery list before leaving home is a simple habit that helps you stay focused on what you actually need instead of making unnecessary purchases. A well-prepared shopping list helps prevent duplicate purchases because you've already checked what is available in your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry. Shopping with a clear plan also makes it easier to avoid impulse purchases that may seem appealing in the moment but aren't actually needed. Buying only the ingredients you've planned for often means every item has a purpose, making it much more likely that everything will eventually be used. Even a few unnecessary purchases during each shopping trip can gradually increase your monthly grocery spending without providing much additional value. By creating a grocery list and consistently sticking to it, you'll spend more intentionally, reduce food waste, and make every grocery trip more efficient. Properly storing your groceries after each shopping trip can significantly extend their freshness, helping you get more value from the food you already paid for. Different foods stay fresh longer when they're stored in the right place, whether that's the refrigerator, freezer, pantry, or a cool, dry cabinet. Using airtight containers for dry foods like rice, pasta, cereal, or flour can also help protect them from moisture while keeping your pantry better organized. Fresh fruits and vegetables also benefit from proper storage, since the wrong conditions can cause them to lose their quality much sooner than expected. When food stays fresh for a longer period, you're much more likely to cook and eat it before it has a chance to spoil. Making proper food storage part of your daily routine can reduce unnecessary food waste, keep your kitchen organized, and help lower your grocery bills over time. One of the easiest ways to reduce food waste is by using older ingredients before opening newly purchased ones. A simple habit, often called the first in, first out method. When older ingredients stay hidden behind newer groceries, they are much more likely to be forgotten until they are no longer fresh enough to use. Keeping older food where it's easy to see naturally reminds you to use it first, helping more of your groceries become meals instead of waste. This simple organizing method works well for refrigerated foods, frozen items, pantry products, and even homemade leftovers stored in containers. Taking just a few moments to rearrange groceries after each shopping trip can help you keep track of what should be used next. By consistently using older ingredients first, you'll throw away less food, make better use of every grocery trip, and gradually reduce your household grocery expenses. Before heading to the grocery store, take a few minutes to check your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry because you may already have enough ingredients to prepare several meals. Many people accidentally buy duplicate ingredients simply because they forgot what was already stored at home, leading to unnecessary spending and extra food. Looking at the ingredients you already have often inspires simple meals that use up food before it has a chance to spoil. Combining ingredients that are already available can reduce food waste while helping you. Postpone another grocery trip for an extra day or two. Making this a regular habit allows you to get the most value from every grocery purchase because more of your food is actually eaten instead of forgotten. Checking your kitchen before deciding what to cook is a simple habit that saves money, reduces waste, and helps every grocery shopping trip last a little longer. Leftovers don't have to become food waste. When they're stored properly and eaten within a safe amount of time, they can easily become another complete meal, instead of leaving extra food on the table or forgetting about it in the refrigerator. Storing it immediately helps preserve its freshness for later. Leftovers can also make convenient lunches or quick dinners, reducing the need to cook another full meal or order takeout the next day. Using leftovers creatively by pairing them with rice, pasta, vegetables, or other ingredients can create entirely new meals with very little additional cost. Making leftovers part of your weekly meal routine helps ensure that more of the food you buy is actually eaten instead of being thrown away. By saving and eating leftovers consistently, you can reduce food waste, stretch your grocery budget further, and make every meal provide even more value. Freezing food before it begins to spoil is one of the easiest ways to make groceries last longer, giving you more time to use ingredients that might otherwise go to waste. Many foods, including meat, bread, vegetables, fruit, and even some cooked meals, can be safely frozen to help preserve their quality for a longer period. Dividing food into smaller meal-sized portions before freezing also makes it easier to thaw only what you actually need for your next meal. Freezing extra ingredients after grocery shopping can also prevent them from being forgotten in the refrigerator until they're no longer fresh. Whenever you need a quick meal, having frozen ingredients or prepared food ready at home can reduce the temptation to buy more groceries or order takeout. Making good use of your freezer helps reduce food waste, extends the life of your groceries, and allows every shopping trip to provide more meals over time. Preparing only the amount of food your household is likely to eat is a simple habit that can reduce food waste while helping your groceries last much longer. Cooking portions that are much larger than necessary often leaves excess food behind, and those leftovers aren't always eaten before they lose their freshness. Thinking about how many people will actually be eating before you begin cooking makes it easier to prepare an appropriate amount of food. When portion sizes match your household's needs, more of the groceries you purchase are enjoyed instead of ending up as unnecessary waste. If there is extra food, storing a small amount for another meal is much easier than dealing with large quantities that may never get eaten. By cooking reasonable portion sizes on a regular basis, you can reduce food waste, stretch your grocery budget further, and make every ingredient count. A well-organized pantry makes it much easier to see what ingredients you already have, helping you avoid buying items that are already sitting on your shelves. When pantry items become cluttered or hidden behind other products, they're much more likely to be forgotten until they expire or lose their quality. Grouping similar foods together, such as grains, canned goods, snacks, baking supplies, and spices, also makes meal preparation faster and grocery planning much easier. Keeping frequently used ingredients within easy reach encourages you to cook with what you already have instead of assuming you need to buy more. Spending just a few minutes organizing your pantry after each grocery trip can help prevent duplicate purchases and reduce unnecessary food waste throughout the month. An organized pantry helps you make better use of every ingredient you buy, making grocery shopping more efficient while keeping your kitchen clean and easy to manage. Before leaving for the grocery store, take a few minutes to check your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry so you know exactly what ingredients you already have at home. Taking inventory before shopping helps prevent duplicate purchases because you won't accidentally buy foods that are already sitting in your kitchen. This quick habit also reminds you to use ingredients that have been sitting in your refrigerator or pantry before buying even more food. When you know exactly what your kitchen needs, grocery shopping becomes faster, more organized, and much less likely to include unnecessary impulse purchases. Combining this habit with meal planning and a grocery list helps every shopping trip become more efficient while reducing food waste at home. Checking your kitchen before every grocery trip is a small habit that helps you spend more wisely, waste less food, and get the most value from every dollar you spend. Cutting your grocery bill doesn't always mean buying less food. Often it comes from making better use of the food you already have through simple, consistent kitchen habits. Planning meals, storing food properly, and reducing waste can help every grocery trip last longer while saving money without sacrificing the quality of your meals. By turning these habits into part of your everyday routine, you'll waste less food, spend more wisely, and make every grocery shopping trip provide more value over time.